Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back to Watchcastage. You are not going to believe what just happened. Or maybe you will, I have no idea. I don't know you, I don't know what your expectations or your beliefs are. Maybe this is exactly what you expected to happen. But last week I made a video about my 3-watch collection, and one of those watches being this, the Rolex Explorer reference 14270, and this is manufactured in 1991. Well, yesterday I went to put this watch on and I looked down and saw something a little bit funny. And I'll give you a minute to look at it to see if you can notice it. I know you all have noticed it, and I said minute very intentionally. The minute hand is hollow. It's missing its lume, and then if you look at the dial, right above the text it's 6 o'clock, and right next to 2 o'clock you can see the lume. I'll even go ahead and take a macro photo and zoom in a little bit more so you can see this a little bit better. The lume may not be in the exact same position because if I move this at all, the lume just floats around all cattywampus and messing stuff up. But the reason that I'm making this video is not to cry on the internet about my first world problems and scream, "Woe is me, oh no!" No, that's not the purpose of it. The purpose is I want to document the process of getting this watch repaired. Now, I spoke to my local AD and they explained the process to me. The way it works is I take the watch in, they ship it to the regional service center. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks for Rolex to, I guess, triage the watch, for lack of a better term, to investigate it and determine what's wrong with it, how much it will cost to fix. Then they send that quote back to the AD. The AD then contacts me with that quote, and I have to approve or deny the repair. Once I have approved it, it will be another 8 to 12 weeks for Rolex to complete the repair and the service. And that is what I plan on doing because I don't know the last time this watch has been serviced. It may be 20, 30 years ago, so it's about time it gets serviced. And I have a question for anybody watching. Should I be replacing the handset or should I just be having them repair the lume or replace the lume on the minute hand, or should I have them replace the lume on the minute and the hour hand? I don't know what the best course of action is there, and if there are any Rolex experts out there who have a suggestion on what kind of correction I should do to that lume or for that lume, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. So I just wanted to make this quick video and share what I know at this time. Gonna be taking it in. I will not have this for probably 4 months, which is kind of a bummer because it was a gift and I would love to enjoy that gift. But once I get it back, I will have the confidence knowing that all the seals are perfect, that the movement is in tip-top shape, and hopefully that the lume is not going to just fall off the watch, which will be a very good feeling. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you all later. Bye-bye.